In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate missing Woocommerce pages in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where essential Woocommerce pages like shop, cart, and checkout have gone missing, don't worry. It's a common issue and one that we can solve quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to log into our WordPress account. To do this, head over to wordpress.com. Once there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before you proceed. Ensure that you're logging into the correct account associated with your Woocommerce site to ensure seamless access. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site. From here, navigate to the Woocommerce section. The next step is to access the Woocommerce status page. To do this, you can either search for Woocommerce status in the dashboard search bar or follow the Woocommerce link directly if it's easily accessible on your dashboard sidebar. Once you're on the Woocommerce status page, you'll notice several tabs lined up horizontally near the top. Click on the Tools tab. This section is invaluable, offering a wealth of options for managing site health, including our task for today. Now, under the Tools section, you'll find a tool called Create Default Woocommerce Pages. This tool is a lifesaver when specific pages have gone missing or were accidentally deleted. Clicking this option will initiate the regeneration process. A prompt will appear, confirming that you want to create default Woocommerce pages. You'll want to proceed by clicking on Create Pages. This will trigger Woocommerce to recreate all essential pages that were missing, such as shop, cart, checkout, and even the My Account page. And there you have it. A straightforward way to regenerate those essential Woocommerce pages that keep your online store running smoothly. Making sure these pages are intact is crucial for a seamless shopping experience for your customers. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Don't hesitate to revisit the process should you ever need to regenerate these pages again. Remember, a smooth-running e-commerce site is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!